Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had met Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan today in the national capital and sought his kind attention on issues which are adversely affecting the student community of the state. During the meeting, CM Conrad requested Union Education Minister to issue necessary directions to the Ministry of Education and NTA to conduct a special CUET examination for those students of Meghalaya which who have missed the said examination due to allotment of CUET examination centers outside the state. For immediate attention of the government, the Meghalaya government has suggested that the CUET centers be set up in Shillong, Tura, Jowai, Nongstoin, and Williamnagar, which will cover the other adjoining districts. During his interaction, he mentioned about the frequent problems faced by teacher training institutions in the state for uploading of documents as required and mandated by NCTE. He also highlighted the glitches in the NCTE website, which also reflects error. Conrad also requested the Union Minister to explore the possibility of increasing the enrollment capacity at NERIE Meghalaya so that aspiring students from all states in general and Meghalaya in particular can have an access for undergoing courses at NERI, which is a premier institution.